Hey guys, this is Steven Smith coming to you today from MarineMax in Houston with a brand new 2019 Harris 240 Solstice. I wanted to do a quick walkthrough for you guys, go through some of the features on this really great looking boat that we have that just came in recently. Starting at the back of the boat, we've equipped it with the ski tow bar and the swim step, as well as the standard stainless steel reboarding ladder. The swim step's great for people getting in and out of the boat with ease. You could also use it for recreational purposes. This boat does have the brand new Mercury 300 horsepower Verado, which is a new naturally aspirated V8, makes a ton of torque, a lot of power. We're really excited about that motor. And this is the popular single lounger floor plan with an oversized storage locker in the back for all your bumpers, wakeboards, tubes, skis, things like that. And you've got this flip back lounger, which makes it nice and comfortable for people to lay out at the back of the boat. And then all the seating area here when you're underway, and it makes it a great social atmosphere. This boat is equipped with the Delta Tower, which is a full load-bearing wakeboard tower, so you can pull skis, tubes, wakeboards from a high tow point, which keeps the people safe. And there's storage under all of these seat bases. Unique to the Solstice, you've got these drop-down armrests with cup holders in them. This is the pillow top interior. It's very plush, very comfortable and enjoyable. At the helm, which has been redesigned for this year by Harris, we've got a new dash design, equipped standard with a touchscreen SIMRAD display, which is a fish finder, chart plotter, GPS, etc. There's a glove box over here for wallet, keys, things like that. JL Audio upgraded sound system with subwoofer and extra speakers and amplifiers. You've got a tilt steering wheel, a really adjustable driver's seat, and you've got digital throttle and shift. As we move to the front of the boat, you'll see we've got all this lounging space up front. Really makes the pillow top interior pop because you know how comfortable it's going to be, and this is where people are going to be enjoying the sun and lounging. There's a large ski locker built in the floor here, extra storage for skis, wakeboards, maybe safety equipment, whatever you could use. And we have equipped this boat with a double bimini, so you have full sunshade during the summer. And this is a blackout exterior, so it's all black with black rails, and then the beige interior. This boat really pops and looks great. We invite you to come on down to MarineMax Houston and see it today.